September 6, 2017, 12 p.m., 1905, Unit 2, Terrybrook, padlock renovation. Screen door closing kit is broken, needs to be replaced. Also missing bottom half of the glass, needs to be replaced. Unit's going to need to be fully painted throughout, including multiple ceilings and kitchen cabinet. And scratches on the wooden floors throughout, needs to be checked out. Large trash out. Couch, chairs, TVs, radio, clothes, boxes, etc. Door on size hole in the wall, needs to be repaired. Stains on the kitchen floor and on the kitchen cabinets that I don't think will come up. Needs to be checked out. Missing cabinet drawer. The cabinet door is broken. They call it kitchen backsplash. Missing refrigerator door handle. Spray for roaches. Stains on the middle in the bathroom. I don't think it'll come up. Bathtub needs to be recalled. Possible mildew stains. Recall the noise. Three small holes in the bedroom door. Needs to be repaired. Got a window leak. Needs to be repaired. More scratches on the wooden floors. Replace all blinds and broken and missing. Total big. Closet missing show. Crack in the door frame. Needs to be repaired, replaced. Stains in the carpet, it's not going to come up. That's about it.